direction on this homework, you're supposed to write it in slope-intercept form. So you need to draw your line of best fit like I explained in class. Use the pencil, draw the middle, somewhere in the middle, right? And then I would choose numbers like 4 and make sure it's on your line. Do not use any dots that's not on your line. So make sure you use the dots that's on your line, or you can go 3, up 3, and I can use this dot, which is, I think, 82, 4, 6, 8, 10, so 84. So I can use that dot, 3 and 84, but you may need to use another dot, but make sure you use 2 dots. I am going to collect this one. Actually, it needs to be on line paper. Collect the work. You choosing the 2 dots, mine would be 3 and 84. And another dot. Okay, make sure it's on the line you draw in. So your line can be different, your work is going to be different than mine. You can find slope and use point slope, y minus y sub 1 equals to m parentheses x minus x sub 1. Find slope, point slope, get it in there, and solve for y-intercept. Okay, because everyone's different, I'm not going to do that one. Okay, so your homework for graphing on number 1 and 2 and 3, it should look something similar to this, where it's one solution there. Solution there is 3, 2. Solution there is -4, -2. That's for number 1, 2, and 3. Number 4, you use substitution, and there goes your answer. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You're only doing even numbers, so 4, 6, and 8, and 10. This says to write and solve, you see? System of equations. So they wrote in the equation, and they solved it. Okay, and then number 19, you would use substitution, right? So you would solve first for A here by adding 1.2b. A equals that, and then substitute it into there. Yeah. And then solve it by getting rid of the A and solve for B, then substitute it in for A. If you have any question, ask me in class. Okay, that's 19 and 21. Okay, 22, let's do 22 here. Farmer grows only sunflower and flax on his 24 acres. So sunflower plus flax, put flour plus X equals to 240 acres of land. This year he wants to grow 80 more acres of sunflower than flax. So 80 more sunflowers than flax. So sunflower then is equal to flax plus 80. X is going to be flax. How many acres of each crop does the farmer need to plant? Okay, and then, well, one of them is F equals to X plus 80. So substitute it in. Okay, so you would get X plus 80 plus X equals to 240. 2X plus 80 equals 240. Okay, let's see. I'm very tired, so I'm going very slow. Phew. Yep, equals to 656, add it, 156. Divide by 2. Get 78. How did he get 80 acres of sunflowers? Did I miss something? Oh, this is 80. God, that's why. No barring all over here. That's 60. Sorry, kids. I'm not letting it go. There's 80 sunflowers. 80, no, not sunflower, it's flax. X is flax. Okay, if there's 80 flax, what you need to do is go back and use that equation and find how many sunflowers. So F, sunflowers, 80 more, right? 80 plus 80. There's 160 sunflowers, acres of sunflowers. That's how they got that answer. Okay. Okay, answer D, guys, because, and it's not A because they made the 10 cents. Okay, we did this in class, right? Nickels plus dimes equals to 28 coins altogether, and then the money is $2. So nickel is 5 cents plus the dime, which is 10 cents. That equals to 10 cents is like this, right? $2.05. Well, they multiply it all by 100 to get this answer right here as your answer there. Okay, that's 24. 25, graph each system to estimate the solution, then use substitution to find the exact solution of the problem. Okay, here's graphing it, and then they estimate. Okay, so that's the graph, and then you estimate where it would be. This is the estimate, and this is the exact answer. Okay, and then 28. using substitution. Oh, there's no solution in this, huh? Oh, I didn't get the graph for 28, I don't think. Did I? No, only for 27. There's no solution. $30. Here's the answer for 30. This is the answer for 30 there. And then 42 to 44. Graphing it. There we go. 42, 44. And there's the answer to the graph. That's the solution of the graph. Graphing each function. There's 46. Oh, 46 right here. Um, 48. Okay, I would, to do 48, remember, need to do a table. X value y. X is 0. If x is 0, y is 5. X is 1. Y is 6. If x is negative 1, y is 6. Okay, and then graph using that. See 0, 5, 1, 6, negative 1, 6, going in that direction. Graphing that. Again, you make a chart of what it may be. And that should look something like this.